Hi, I'm Taylor Leibel-Varner. I'm here with National Corps at the General Assembly for WRCOG. It's just a great opportunity to see local jurisdictions, local agencies, and find opportunities to help them thrive, help them grow, and help them innovate in ways that maybe they haven't thought about.
Thank you.
I met some new faces. We don't always get to meet people from different parts of the county. The county is, one of the largest in the state. And so getting to come to one place and see people that you don't necessarily see every day is just a real pleasure.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, so good to see you. You made it out.
Good.
A great aspect of the General Assembly is it brings all the elected leaders from every member agency in one spot. And there's not very many events that do that you get to go and just be a part of what's going on and be a part of the decision making and hear from leaders on what their priorities are. This group knows how to have a good time, how to let loose and also get stuff done. I think that's the energy that I felt today was just excitement to be together, excitement about the momentum that's going on in the region, and everything that we're working on together. I had the pleasure of meeting Admiral McCraven during the meet and greet. A few of us in the line were talking about, what we were gonna say, but really just happy that he was here and just thanked him for sharing his insight and his time with us. He had so much to contribute. There was so much to be learned from, doing small things well and that carrying into all parts of your life, all parts of your career. Encourage anyone who's on the fence about sponsoring or about attending to take the leap, come hang out with us, have fun. You won't regret it. My name is Taylor from National Corps. Thanks for following me around at WRCOG's General Assembly.